my channel. So for today's video, I am back with a special guest, one and only favorite niece, Lala. Can you say hi, Lala? Lala, say hi. Well, yes, say hi to me. We got a box from Try Treats. Okay, you want to hold it up? If you guys don't know what Try Treats is, it is a website and you can place an order to get like a mystery box. You don't know what you're getting. You can get candy from all over the place. It's very interesting because when you order a box, you don't know what you're going to get. You can get candy from Mexico, you can get it from Amsterdam, just all over the world. So that's what I like about that. Also, you can get like a small box, like probably this one. You can even get a very big one. So make sure you go check them out. So we're gonna see what we got our box from. So we got treats from Indonesia. They got like a whole little card that has the population, the language, the capital, the climate, the government type, and then they got did you know facts. Okay, so oh, it's a little postcard, and they got this month treats. It said this month's treats come from Indonesia, located in Southeast Asia. Indonesia is an island country famous for its breathtaking beaches and temples. And this is a little postcard. Are you gonna be good this time? Because last time she was a little cranky. Are you ready to do a video with me? It's not. Right. She just woke up from her nap, so she shouldn't be so cranky like last time. Okay, since Lala got the first one, we're going to try some taro net, I believe. It's seaweed. Seaweed crackers. Ooh. Smooth it. Go ahead. You want to try one? It tastes like okra. Do you like that? It tastes like that okra. Fried okra. Not that bad, but she got another chip, so she must like it. Okay, since Lala, she seemed like she likes those little seaweed chips, we're going to go ahead. Oh, we got 2 of these. They sent 2 of these cheese crackers. Lala loves cheese, so she would definitely love these. Wants these. Siri, you want to try these cheese crackers while you munching on those? Let me see these. It's cheese, like what you like. It's cheese crackers. Oh my god. Well, once again, like last time, Lala, she likes one thing and she wants me to continue this video by myself. Since Lala is such a big fan of those gummy bears, I guess I gotta do the rest on my own. Or you just canceled out this video or you're not going to participate anymore? Oh my god, it's really cheesy. It tastes like canned cheese whiz and crackers. It just melted on it. That's okay if you like cheese and cheese whiz. I believe Lala would definitely like these, but she's so hooked on these seaweed chips, so she can try them later. Next that I am trying, since she's not participating no more, is these dark chocolate cookie thins, thin and crisp with a sprinkle of sugar. I guess I'll try this by myself. This is gonna remind me of probably like an Oreo. They're kind of broken. Oh, so you want to try this one? Okay. Here. Do you swallow the other ones? No. Go ahead, try it. You want to put it back? Okay, so yeah, that tastes like Oreo. No, actually not Oreo. Tastes like chocolate graham cracker. Okay, so next I have is this chocolate wafer bites. Chocolate filling. Oh, it's only 100 calories. You stuff in your mouth. Let me see. It's crazy to see like all these snacks taste like something that I know. These taste like Crave cereal. I used to be obsessed with those like a couple years ago. So last but not least, we have some tea candy. It's a classic iced tea. and enjoy the cool and refreshing taste of iced tea and a delicious candy. Of course, even if Lala was participating in this video, she will not even taste one of these because it's hard candy and we do not need her to choke. So I'm on my own with this. Oh, that's crazy. It's like literally, it's like liquid. This is how it looks up close.
No.
It literally, It literally tastes like iced tea. So that wraps up for my video. That was the last treat. That is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you go check out trytreats.com. I also have a promo code for you guys so you can get a discount when you order your box. My coupon code is Kiana Vaughn. I'll make sure I have that in my description box down below and the link to the website if you guys want to try out summer treats. You never know what you're going to get. You can get candy from all over. And make sure you leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Can you say bye? Say bye. Yeah, bye. Hold on, it's not time yet. What? The people on the bus. I don't even know if that's how it goes. There we go. She's still trying to open it. You're on the frame. If you oh! Yeah. Swish. The windshield on the bus. Go switch. Oh. The people on the bus. You know it, clap your hands. If you happy, you know it, and you really want to show it. If you happy, you know it, clap your hands. If you happy, you know it, stomp your feet. If you happy, you know it, shout hooray. Hooray! If you happy, you know it, shout hooray. Gonna leave me hanging. Yeah.